All right, you've graduated and now you're ready to step up and be a big boy and have it wired to a remote, right? Okay. This is having a remote is very good because it allows you to depressurize your line, walk up on a roof, and then remotely activate your system again. Okay, and then wash. This is the remote that I use, the same remote as I use for my remote ball valves from the iFlow. It has remote feedback. I love these remotes, especially these ones, because they're inexpensive. A lot of you drop these, break them. You're gonna want multiple of these that just as a backup. You're always gonna want to have an extra one in your truck, if not two. Okay. Next, all right. This is the receiver. How I do my receiver is like this. The only difference between these, so you'll take these three and just glue them on here. 1, 2, 3. You do not need this Fort one. I have this Fort one on here. It's for something else, okay? Just glue them on here like this. 1, 2, 3. And then you take a bus bar. I use a 5 bus bar, but you can use a 4. It's just one of these, but you need to have at least 4, okay? So, what do? This is the positive and the negative on the top side of the receiver. You run your negative wire directly to right here, where all the negatives are going to go. You run your positive wire from the top into this first one right here, okay? You get a wire from the same bar right here, and it goes to the center over here, the common. You see it, the white one? Right there. Next, you get this one right here, and it goes to normally closed, the NC port right there. Again, this one right here is not being used. It's not going to be used at all. Just imagine this gone. You're just going to have 1, 2, 3, the same amount that you have right there. Okay? Now, let's do the first thing. The easiest thing first, we're going to connect all our negatives. So if you follow from the video 1, all our negatives are in this one right here. So we're just going to unclip it, and plug it in, all our negatives to here. 1, 2, 3. And that's why you need a 4. I have a 5 bus bar, that's what I have. Sure, they're all plugged in. Now, remember from video 1, I said we're going to do this top one right here, which is going to be this one. You could just glue it, use the same ones, right? So, this is the power wire coming from your 12 volt and the bottom of your toggle switch. Open up these 3 ports, and we're going to plug them into here. 1. Got my 12 volt. Plug it in. Close it. Now, your number 2 port from right here, if you remember from video 1, right? Your number 2 port right here, you're just going to unclip that. That is also going to go into this top one. Right here, the same one that power is going directly to from the battery to, okay? Next, all right, you're going to take this green wire, unplug it. This is from the top of your toggle switch from video 1. That is just going to simply go right here. It's going to go into the clip that's from the positive of the receiver, and the same one that's going to the common. Boom, just like that. There's only one wire left. the brown wire from the pressure switch and the light switch. So I'm just gonna remove this, the last one, and this is gonna end up going, I gotta grab it from underneath here. This is gonna end up going right here into this bottom one, into the normally closed port. Boom, and that's it. Again, this one that I have wired to the normally open is not used. You can utilize the 3 same ones that I just took off from your other one, but I just already have them glued on here. All additional you need is this bus bar. And right now, your remote is wired up. This yellow wire that you see right here, that's from the light. It's not used. There's another black wire from your pressure switch that is not used. I already went over what ones you do use. Okay, and then from here, I put Velcro inside of there and Velcro on the back of here. From there, that's where you position everything, put it in, make it all nice and neat. And then you can tie some wires together and then just mount everything down. But that is how you basically wire it, okay? Then from after this, make everything look pretty. Peace.